Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about growing ginger into our hydroponic system. Friends, last year also we have grown this ginger into this grow bed, coco peat grow bed hydroponic system, and we have got the very good results. So this year also we are going to grow ginger into this system. But this year we are making little change into the growing pattern. Last year we have shown a little big size of the tuber, around 15 to 20 grams. But this year we are planning to grow a smaller tuber size into this bed. This we are doing intentionally because we are thinking that with the good nutrition management we will get the more multiplex of the tuber size. Second, the last year we have sown it at the 1 foot distance zigzag. This year we are going to sow it little closer, so per square feet seed rate will also little high, but overall seed consumption will be less. Third thing, we are going to change the nutrition management differently. Last year we have run it with the general formula with the very minor changes. But this year we have designed this formula specifically for the ginger growing. So in the video I am going to explain all these things, how to sow and how to care this ginger into this hydroponic system. So friends, as we know, ginger can be grown from the last year tuber or the tuber. So we have saved some of the tuber of the ginger for our sowing. Now we cannot sow directly tuber into this field. Before sowing, we must prepare the ginger or sprout the ginger for the good establishment of the plant. So we have done that activity by giving the moisture to this ginger, keeping it into some coco peat. I will show you the result of the sprouting. So here are our ginger seed, and here you can see our small size of the tuber has got the sprout 1, 2, 3. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and one small sprout is coming over here. So this way we have got the good sprouting of the ginger before we sow this. This is how we need to prepare our seed before sowing. Now talking about the spacing. So we are again going to maintain the line to line distance around 12 inch because this is the 18 inch grow bed. So we will have a 10 to 12 inch between the line, and we will place the ginger at every 8 to 9 inch. For that this mesh is around 3 inch. So what we will do, first before sowing we will put all this tuber which are sprouted at distance around 9 inch like this, and second tuber we will keep in between of these two. So this is how we will maintain zigzag pattern of the ginger. So first we need to set right all this tuber into this bed. After that we will sow this ginger. Now another change we are doing, small change doing. Last year we have sown the ginger at 1 to half inch deep, but this year we are going to put it around 2 to 2.5 inch deep. This is specifically to let the ginger grow bigger tuber into the bed. Also, last time our ginger were exposed to the atmosphere, but this time what we have done, we have kept this coco peat level around 1.5 to 2 inch down. So what we will do, once the ginger plant will establish, set the new tuber, then we are going to fill some coco peat into this and level this. So this will bury the ginger furthermore, and it will help the tuber to grow bigger. So all these changes we are going to implement in this. Now the sowing is very simple. We need to simply put down the ginger tuber into this coco peat. But before sowing, we have loosened this coco peat into this bed. Normally we give water before, but this time we are just started the water with this our porous pipe, and you can see the moisture is already coming into the coco peat. So this is how we are going to sow. We are going to sow this 2 inch, around 2 finger lips down. So this is how we are going to sow all the ginger around 2 inch down, and then cover it with this coco peat. So this way we are going to complete our sowing. Then our water will be moistened with the bed. Now what we'll do, we'll moist this bed every alternate day, and that will make the good condition or the good moisture level to this coco peat for the ginger sprouting. we are not going to add any of the nutrient before the ginger sprouts. Once the ginger sprouts, then we'll apply our special formulas. Now for that what we have done, initially the first 45 days, the ginger plant will require the vegetative growth. And for that we have planned our formula with the little higher level of the nitrogen into the formula. So it will help the plant to grow bigger. So after 45 days, ginger will start developing the new shoots. And at that time, the phosphorus requirement will be high. So what we'll do after 45 days, we have enriched this formula with the phosphorus to support the more sprouting and more shoots. This will give us the multiple ginger tuber to set. That process will continue up to 75 days. So another 30 days we are going to maintain that formula. After 75 days, we need to grow the tuber size. So for tuber size growing, it requires the potash. So after 75 days to the end of the crop, around 7 to 8 months, we are going to put with the higher potash formula, which will help the tuber to grow thicker and heavier. So this is the plan we have done for this year for nourishing the ginger plant. And with this simple method, we are going to grow the ginger and we'll compare the result in the end. So friends, I am going to update you on that whenever we are going to make any changes to this system. And I will also give you regular update of the growth of the ginger into this bed as well as some buckets. And that will be available every month update of the hydroponic polyhouse. And in the end, we are going to compare the results. So right now we are going to complete our ginger sowing, the method I have shown. So friends, if you are also interested in growing your own ginger this year, so make your preparation like the grow bed or the buckets or the pot, sow your ginger and nourish your ginger the way I am suggesting and get the very good yield. Friends, how do you like my method of growing hydroponic ginger? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are interested in knowing how the ginger is doing or the other hydroponic crop is doing, then please subscribe my channel. And if you like the way I am doing all the experiment, then please give me the thumb on the video. Happy growing!